Hello. Am I recording? Yep. Hello. So I've wanted to make this video for a while, and it's basically about a really cool north-south road through Saint-Tropez that took me a while to figure out. And it is, it starts by Bao-on. Actually, you can go further north up that way if you want. But really, for my little video here, I just want to tell you about from here. So Bao-on Macrobiotic is down that way, a couple blocks. So that's kind of like one of the great places in Danang for food, you know, mi kwang and stuff. And I'm standing here next to this beautiful little garden, big garden here. And so now I'm looking due north, and behind me this road begins, and I'm going to turn on my GoPro camera with a side view and record all the way down to Pham 2. It's Pham 2. Tran Phu's over on the other side of the city. It's Pham 2. So this goes from here up by Bao-on Macrobiotic all the way down. Almost, I mean, there's a few intersections, but the traffic flow is really good. I mean, and I have been, you know, from my house in the middle of Saint-Tropez, going over to the river and going down, or going to the beach and going down. And then I finally discovered this, and it's like so fast. It's so much faster, and there are no lights on it. And okay, so here we go. Okay, so I made it down here, and it didn't take long at all. And I'm not going to speed this video up like I often do. Tran Phu and what is it? My Tuk Lan. That's the name of the street down here. Who knows what it is up there? But here's where I am. And I'm going to jump back on and go north so you can see what it looks like going north. And kind of a simple video, but man, I've found this road super helpful. Super helpful. It's so fast to get north and south, at least down to Fan 2. And anyway, okay, I'm going to jump back on and go north. So check the timing on this. I'm going to go all the way back up to where I began.
unos cantantes de los amables, unas papas, unos pepinos, unos paquetes, papiras, papuras, unas paquetas, papiras, papuras, papiras, papuras, papiras, papuras, piras, papuras, papiras.
Okay, so this is where we started from. Here's a beautiful garden. Okay, I'm turning this off. Go figure out another video.